हेलो दोस्तों। स्वागत है आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव क्विज अरीना में। आज के करंट अफेयर सवाल आपके यूपीएससी, रेलवे और सभी प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं के लिए बेहद इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो बिना देर किए हुए चलिए शुरू करते हैं। विच इवेंट कंक्लूडेड ऑन 11 जनवरी 2026 मार्किंग 1000 years of history? आंसर ऑप्शन बी सोमनाथ स्वाभिमान पर्व। Commemorated how many years since the first attack on Somnath temple? Answer option C 1000. Somnath Swabhiman Parv also marked how many years of temple revival? Answer option C 75. Which Indian Prime Minister attended the Somnath Swabhiman Parv? Answer option C Narendra Modi. Which Indian state is Somnath temple located in? Answer option B Gujarat. NASA and SpaceX planned the return of which mission in January 2026? Answer option B Crew 11. Crew 11 mission returned from which space station? Answer option C ISS. ISRO scheduled the launch of which mission on 12 January 2026? Answer option B PSLV C-62. PSLV C-62 was launched mainly for which purpose? Answer option B Earth observation. Who was India's ODI cricket captain in January 2026? Answer option D Shubman Gill. India played an ODI series against which country in January 2026? Answer option C New Zealand. How many ODIs were scheduled in the India-New Zealand series? Answer option B 3. Which Indian cricketer was ruled out for weeks after groin surgery? Answer option B Tilak Verma. Which Middle East country announced fireworks on 11 January 2026? Answer option C Oman. Fireworks in Oman marked the accession anniversary of which leader? Answer option B Sultan Haitham bin Tariq. Which Indian city hosted the Surat Literature Festival in January 2026? Answer option B Surat. Which Indian state conducted a voter awareness bike rally on 11 January 2026? Answer option B Maharashtra. Which weather condition affected North India on 11 January 2026? Answer option C cold wave. Dense fog alerts were mainly issued for which city? Answer option C Delhi. Which Indian state became the top investment destination in FY26 news in January? Answer option C Andhra Pradesh. Which ministry launched a new logo and mascot Sankhiyiki? Answer option B MoSPI. Which country held parliamentary elections in January 2026? Answer option C Benin. SARC level Futsal tournament was scheduled in January 2026. Answer option A SAF Futsal Championship. The SAF Futsal Championship 2026 was hosted by which country? Answer option B Thailand. India Open 2026 belongs to which sports? Answer option B Badminton. India Open 2026 is part of which tour? Answer option B, BWF World Tour. Artemis 2 mission is related to which country's space program? Answer option C, USA. Artemis 2 mission will involve which celestial body? Answer option C, Moon. Which Indian ministry announced new safety rules for sleeper buses? Answer option B, Transport and Highways. The new bus safety rules aim to prevent mainly what? Answer option B, fires and accidents. India's first fully paperless district court was inaugurated in which state? Answer option A, Kerala. Which country's shadow-free tanker news appeared in January 2026? Answer option C, Russia. A garbage landslide tragedy was reported in which country? Answer option B, Philippines. Which global cricket event was India preparing for in 2026? Answer option C, T20 World Cup. Bengaluru Open 2026 belongs to which sports? Answer option B, tennis. Which zodiac related theme was highlighted in 11 January 2026 Zoroscopes? Answer option B, bold moves and clarity. Which organization developed a portable seawater desalination system for soldiers? Answer option B, DRDO. The DRDO system is mainly useful in which region? Answer option C, coastal and island areas. Which country commissioned the Lodi missile destroyer? Answer option B, China. India signed a judicial cooperation MOU with which country? Answer option B, Bhutan. LEDC was launched to support which sector? Answer option C, live events and concerts. LEDC stands for? Answer option A, live event development cell. Which Indian city faced extreme cold conditions in January 2026? Answer option B, Delhi. Which Indian exam was conducted on 11 January 2026? Answer option C, MPSC Group C. Which festival is celebrated every year on 12 January in India? Answer option B, National Youth Day. National Youth Day marks the birth anniversary of whom? Answer option B, Swami Vivekananda. Which lunar phase was observed on 11 January 2026? Answer option B, Warning Crescent. Which Indian ministry handles official statistics? Answer option B, MOSPI. The New Zealand cricket tour included how many T20 matches? Answer option C, 5. Which Indian port state gained investment focus in FY26? Answer option B, Andhra Pradesh. 11 January 2026 falls under which session in India? आंसर ऑप्शन सी विंटर। तो दोस्तों आज का करंट अफेयर्स क्विज यहीं पर समाप्त होता है। कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं आपने कितने सवाल सही किए। वीडियो पसंद आए हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कॉम्पिटिटिव क्विज अरीना को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। थैंक यू।